No, we don't have a lot of money.
Please
No, we
drive
don't have a
forward.
lot of money. No, we don't have a lot of money. No, we don't have a lot of money. All we need is love. Free as we'll ever be. Just as free as we'll ever be. We live out in our van, travel all across this land.
Venue.
Check out this screenshot of my credit score. Just a few months ago, it was in the low 500s. That all changed when I found this little known loophole in the credit system that increased my credit score by a few hundred points.
And this is by far my favorite song we've ever written, and it's about Colorado.
Air conditioner.
She'd say Colorado if you take her with. This is the door before the winter lets it cold in. And wonders if her love is strong enough to make him stay. She's answered by
Take it down to the bubble car wash
shining through the
again.
window pane. He said, I wanna see you again, but I'm stuck in colder weather. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Can I call you then? She said, you're a man. You ain't ever gonna change. Got a gypsy soul to blame, and you were born for leaving. Had a truck stop diner just outside of Lane. The night is black as the coffee he's drinking. Then the waitress eyes, he sees the same old light is shining.
Does your
Thanks
ring
to Colorado and the girl that
got a lot
lived
like
behind
you here?
I said I wanna see you again,
See you lucky
but I'm
here.
stuck in colder weather. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Can I call you then? She said, you're a rambling man. You ain't ever gonna change. Got a gypsy soul to blame, and you were born for leaving. Born for leaving. Well, it's a winding road when can smell your perfume through these western pines. With your ghost. It's a shame about the weather. I know soon we'll be together. And I can't wait till then. Can't wait till Thank you.
Are you good?